Welcome back to the final segment of our plant protein guide. Now that you know what to eat and how to build your plate, the last piece of the puzzle is sustainability, making this a seamless, long-term part of your lifestyle. The secret here is meal prepping. You don't have to spend hours cooking every single day. Just spending an hour or two on the weekend to batch cook grains like quinoa, chop up fresh veggies, or boil a big pot of lentils can save you immense time during a busy work week. When you have nutritious options ready to go in your fridge, making the healthy choice becomes the easiest choice. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing switch overnight. Start small. Try a Meatless Monday, or swap out one meal a day. Every single plant-based meal you choose is a win for your health, the environment, and the planet. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep thriving.